Greetings guys, it's been a while since we've done a video, so today I'm back here today with a new video. We wanna reset this Infinix Note. So according to what we know and what I know about the phone is, let me start it so that we can see what it does. This problem mostly occurs to people, so I thought of doing this video today so that we can see if we can solve this issue, so that you do not waste your money going to the repair guy. You can do it from your home, from your place, from your office, from your chair, your bed. So we want to try it out and see if it will work. So the phone is rebooting, so we want to see what happens. Yeah, this is an Infinix Note. I think this procedure happens to most of the Android phones that do not have a finger tap at the back, or a finger unlock, or whatever, or a finger or whatever. But so today we are going to try and see, but I know you can try this on any other Android phone that almost has the same features. I think this is an old model, it's been around for a while, so we want to see if we can really reboot the phone. So as we can see, I know you can see it, it's demanding for me to insert a pin or a pattern. I don't know about the pattern, I don't know the pattern. So let's dive into what we are supposed to do. Let's see what it. So we are going to first we are going to power off the phone, the device. Okay, the device is off now. So here we have the volume up, volume down, then power button. So we are going to hold and press at the same time the volume up and the power button. Okay, press it up. So I think you can see the phone is already starting. It's got us to this place. Yeah, Android recovery. So we are going to use volume down, this one, volume down, volume down. I think you can see it, volume down. Okay, to scroll down, reboot to bootloader, no. Apply update from ADB, no. Apply update from SD, no. Wipe data, stock factory reset. That's what we are going to use. So you're going to press the power button. Power button is like saying okay, it's like saying yes. So we press the power button, we come to this page here. I think you can see clearly. So we scroll down with the volume down button to this page here, to this, up to where it says no, delete all user data. Then we press our OK, which is our power button. So you can see, I think you can see what's happening. Wiping data. Yeah, I think you can see now. Okay, now it says after wiping data, it's done everything. So it says reboot now. So we're going to reboot now. Okay, reboot now. Rebooting. Going to wait for a while for it to reboot. this is something I think you can do from your home. You can do it from anywhere. I think you've seen what I've done. So we're waiting for it to start up and see if it will still ask us for the same pattern. We insert the pattern, or it will be done. It will be unlocked. I think this process, you can use it on all Android phones. It works perfectly well. I don't know about iPhone because I've never tried it out, but I know about Android. Yeah, this process works, and mostly it works on the phones that were made before the fingerprint, the back fingerprint. It works well. Yeah, it's a good way. You can try it out, or you can help your friend. You know, at times we don't have money to take these things to repair, or two guys who can do this for us. But on YouTube, if you watch my video, you see, you learn how to do it by yourself, you know. And it's a good thing you have to know this, because I know these phones still exist now. They are around. The ones that have been kept well are still around. They are with us. So it takes time to reboot, because we've returned it to factory reset. So we're just waiting for it to reboot up. After it's reboot up, we will see if it successfully opened up, or we have to try something else. So it's almost, if I'm not wrong. It takes time, but this is an Infinix Note. I still repeat it to you. It's an Infinix Note. It's got no fingerprint. No fingerprint, just the camera and the flash, the Infinix name down here, Note, then the speaker. It's got nothing else. It's still rebooting, so I think we've succeeded because it's taken quite some time now. Yeah, it's here. We are here now. Back here. So we go to language, select US, or whichever language you like to use. Kenya, next. Okay, it's requesting us. I like to log into Wi-Fi or whatever we're going to use if it's data. Time, you can set the time. Google account, you can add if you want to add a Google account at the moment, anytime you want to do it. You can also create your, I think this is an Infinix account. You do not need that. So congratulations, successful start. So I think the device is this. It's working perfectly. So we are done. So you can see. I'm so glad, guys. I'm so glad for you following up my video. Thank you so much for watching this. Subscribe to my channel and tick the bell also, so that you can see my future videos. I think you've learned something here, guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel to promote my channel. Thank you. Be blessed. Thank you, guys.